Hello guys, I've been in Jamav for, oh my god, for so long, and no one's treating me red gazelles. Huh, I want to put them on my fox, so my fox could look cool. No one's trading me it, like everyone's trading me like rare snow boots and stuff. And like rare bows. I don't want that. I want red gazelles. That's all I want. Red gazelles. And everyone's trading it for my red warn. I will not accept that because the warn matches my color, so no. Oh yeah, I didn't, sorry I didn't. Oh my god. See, this is what, people don't even know what gazelles are. Sorry if you don't know what gazelle horns are. I'll show you right now. I know a girl that has one. This girl is those horns right there. Oh my. Man, what are you thinking? What are you thinking about? Okay. Because that is, oh my. No, it's not. It's a, oh my god. They don't even know what a gazelle is. It's a type of deer. Get your facts right. And live in Africa / Kalahari. God! Oh. Yeah, listen to the fox. You're mean with... I don't know. Oh. See? That's what I don't like about non-member bunnies. They just run out, and when I just say, get your facts right, they just run out of the room making the crying face. I don't like that. It's annoying. Oh, and what was I about to do? Dang it, I forgot what I was about to do. Wait, I know that fox. I know that fox from somewhere. Oh yeah, even if, okay. No, wait. No, I don't know her. Yeah, so, what was I about to do? This is my cousin in real life. Okay. My username is Reeb294. I'll even spell it for you. Yeah. And please, if you have red gazelles, please send it to me. Just don't send me a lot, just send me one. I really want one badly. No, like people are trading me rare bows. Do you know how sucky that is? I want rare bows, but like I most, like, the main thing is I want red gazelles. Like, yeah. Julian 2. Oh yeah, I sent Julian 2 a funny jamagram. If you watch his videos and you watch like basically all of them, you would see on the next meal time, you'll see a guy saying this. Wait, no, I sent him a, okay. You can see my name tag. Blah blah blah. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm not. Oh man. Ew, what is this video about? I just want red gazelles. And if you don't know what red gazelles are, again, I'll show you. I don't know how to spell gazelles. I think I spelled it right. See, look. You couldn't even... See, it's a type of deer. If some of you don't know that and don't agree with me, it's a type of deer. It's right there in front of you. And if you don't see that well, I'll click it for you. See? It's a type of deer. See? Thomas gazelle. Can jump up to like 10 feet high. No lie. Okay. The red gazelles are right there. The first one. This is the one that lilac petal has. These are the ones that I want. These are the ones that I want. So these are the ones that I want. Right there. Firefly. What? The animal type firefly gazelle one. Last Halloween they had these. What? As you can tell by the hat and the beard. What? Okay. Who's this girl? Who takes a picture of a Chinese looking face? Oh, someone traded me. See? I already have like 7 of these. I don't want this, even though I have like 2 of them. I don't want the phantom pipe that I already have. I don't want another rare spiked hair. Good. Okay. Let me just look. Oh yeah. And you know what was surprising? That X6 Mario sent a lilac petal, a gift. And it was a good gift for her birthday. And okay, I don't want to be rude, so I don't want to say it. Man, can people subscribe to my channel? Not to be rude, okay? Not to be rude. But comment, rate, subscribe. Please send me gazelle horns. Bye.